In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to archive Reels on Instagram. So first of all, let's head on to Instagram, of course, and head on to our profile, and then click over here on our Reels. Now, over here on our first Reel, if you want to, of course, archive this, just click on the Reel. You'll want to archive and click on the three dots over here, and you should have the option over here to remove from profile grid. Now, of course, when you actually click on Remove from Profile Grid, this will actually remove the reel from your profile grid and will actually hit it, or rather hide it, into the Reels tab. Now, if you want to actually archive this, well, you can choose two things to delete, or to actually just remove it from the profile grid, because when you click on Remove one profile grid, and then it's actually gone from your profile grid right here. And of course, it's basically like archiving things, but rather than deleting it permanently, it's just going to be over here in the other side, or rather on the Reels tab of your Instagram profile. Of course, doing that on over here on a post, you can actually archive a post, but over here for our Instagram Reel, all you can do over here is to show this on the profile, or rather remove it under profile, like what we just did a while ago. Alright, guys, that's it for this tutorial, and we'll see you guys in the next one.